engines are working now. This one, we have an engine failure on this air conditioner. This engine here on my side isn't running. Blades are spinning, but engines are running. This one here, this one. On the other side. This here is running. Still cold, so it's only having one fan spinning. These will spin when it gets warmer. But we have 4 engines fixed. We have both engines on this area that's now running fine. We have an engine fan on this air conditioner here. It's not even drying. These lids here were wet. These fans here are spinning but drying the lids. But this one is spinning but it's not drying the lids. So we still have a problem with this engine here. That's not starting. The other thing they are working now, there's no frost building up, which is good. Anyway, that's it.